Morning guys, it's been a while. We are going back to the Housemaster Challenge. Okay, so this week we are doing our winter photo challenge. Okay, it's up to you what you want to focus on. We want to see a variety of photos, maybe nature based or weather based, whatever you like, it's up to you. Okay, I very much look forward to seeing these uploaded on the Firefly, and I hope you're all keeping well. Best of luck, go for it.